So you just downloaded some great new brushes, but you're wondering how you're going to install them. Well, it's pretty easy once you know the trick for it. After downloading the .zip file, extract it and place it in a location that will be easy to find. If you're using one of my VDM kits, there'll be both a PDF user guide along with the .blend file. Open a new scene and go to File plus Append, locate the .blend file and click Append. Open the brush folder plus select the brushes you want to use in your file. Most creators will add a unique name that will make them stand out from the default ones. In my PDF guide, I've included a brush summary sheet along with variations so you can import only the ones that you will need. In order to use a brush, the proper tool must be selected before clicking on one of the new ones. Using the middle mouse, it's now easy to scroll through the icon list once the images have finished loading. In order for the brush to work properly, the mesh will require enough resolution and will need to either have a multi-resolution modifier applied or be using Dynapo at the correct resolution. Now that you can add brushes, what do you do if you want to remove them? Well, in the next video, we'll go through that process together.